Welcome to the future of building management with ProptechOS. Imagine managing a building where every decision is backed by real-time data. You're a real estate leader, facing the challenge of reducing costs while boosting sustainability. This is where ProptechOS comes in. ProptechOS is the intelligent operating system for smart buildings in smart cities. It helps you scale sustainability efforts and cut operational costs effortlessly. With features like real-time data analytics, energy management tools, and predictive maintenance, your buildings become more efficient and eco-friendly. Tenants will love the modern, seamless experience ProptechOS provides. From smart access and personalized climate control to enhanced security, their interaction with your spaces is transformed. For industry leaders, ProptechOS is the game changer you've been waiting for. It offers insights into building performance, ensures compliance with the latest regulations, and provides comprehensive reporting. Transform your real estate with ProptechOS today.